I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung dryer to factory settings. I'm doing this to clear codes that have come up on the dryer. I'll say you need to first repair whatever faults have caused that fault. On mine, it was the HE or HC error. It's to do with the filter being clogged or the dryer being full of lint, so the compressor has overheated. So if you have a look on here, I've got mine open. This is why it's all open. I've got a video to show you how to clean up all the lint that builds up on your dryer. You can do the same on yours, because if you just clear it without fixing the cause of that fault, it will fault again, regardless of you clearing it. And that video, I'm going to link it in the description below.
In my case, my dryer was full of lint over there, so I cleaned it up, but still it wouldn't dry. That's because the compressor wasn't running. So if this overheats, this sensor senses that this is overheating, and it sends a fault code all the way up into this main board. And the fault is stored here. So unless you do a factory reset, it will not start the compressor again. So you might have cleaned up your dryer that was full of lint, but it won't give you any fault codes. The fault code will be like it's cleared, but it's still in memory, so your compressor won't start. To reset it, you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the buttons you have that you work with, and your power button. So you put one finger on 1 and the other one on 3, and you press the power button. If it does that, that means 0, 2, and it'll bring up DC 2, and it'll start beeping at you. That's the first part of the reset done. Turn it off. Then you want to put one finger on 1 and the other one on 2, and you turn it on. It's going to flash at you. All these might light up depending on your metal model. If it lights up, then it means it's reset, and then you turn it off. Once you've done that, you can then start it again, run a cycle, and then it should start working. If yours hasn't worked after doing that, obviously something else is going wrong with it. But that's how you clear that fault that has been stored in memory, and then it'll be working then.